Okay, some of you guys couldn't see this, so I just wanted to make sure you can see all the parts and make sure you know how it works. I am not going to read through all of this for you, but you guys can pause the video so that you can see each part. So I will just click through for you. This is how to build the motor. And when you are building it, it has different things. So here's your definition of an armature, the definition of a commutator. And then if we click on the different parts, here's your armature, your magnet, your supports, and your battery. And then this has you able to build and test it. So if you put this on each side, put your magnet down and your armature, you should be able to test it. And ta-da! It works. So then when you go to troubleshooting, there's a few things that you have to have. So you can test this to start. And it's maybe not working perfectly. So what can go wrong? There's 4 different things. Your magnetic field strength. So if we start at the top and we test, and then we move it down one, test. Move it down one more, test. And move it as close as you can to the magnet. So it moved the fastest when it was the closest to the magnet because the magnetic field is the strongest there. And then we can go back and see what armature balance, so aligning the end wires. So here we can test. So we're straightening them out. And of course, the more perpendicular they are, the better that is. Then we can also talk about balance when it comes to how you've wrapped them. So if you've got both wrappings near the top, you're not balanced. They're getting closer to the middle. And then if we actually have them at the middle, works the best. Okay, and then last but not least, we're going to do our commutator design. So let's play this for you. So for this, you're going to want to have your commutator, in this case, would have 1/2 of it sanded and then the other half sanded. So it would be like the top and the bottom on the opposite sides. So let's take the first one and test it. It's not working. Okay, so that was number 2. Here's number 3. So this one was correct. And I'm just going to show you the other 2 since you can't. All right, so it was number 3 that worked properly. And again, you can pause the video so that you can see the right answer. So here's our perfectly made motor. And then your review. And again, you can pause the video here. And there's your second page. And you can pause the video as you need it. There you go.